Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger V6 louder. We'll dive into various modifications, starting with your exhaust system. Understanding the components and their effects is key to achieving that aggressive sound you desire. We'll cover everything from simple bolt-ons to more involved engine enhancements, ensuring you get the best roar from your V6. Let's talk about specific exhaust components. A quality aftermarket catback system is often the first step, replacing everything from the catalytic converter back. For even more volume, consider upgrading your headers. High-flow catalytic converters can also enhance sound while maintaining emissions compliance. Each component plays a vital role in shaping your Charger's voice. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable, unlike some exhaust systems that might give you a headache. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Beyond the exhaust, your intake and engine can also contribute to a louder sound. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, often adding a noticeable growl. Custom engine tuning can further refine your sound profile and boost performance. For a truly aggressive idle, some enthusiasts even explore cam upgrades, which can dramatically change your V6's character. To achieve the best sound, always do your research. Listen to sound clips of various setups online to find what you like best. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure proper fitment and optimal sound quality. Remember to balance loudness with potential cabin drone, especially if your Charger is your daily driver, for a comfortable experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.